Hello. Hi. So another fourth Apex song. Today we'll be reacting to Ain't No Other Man on X Factor. I said in my previous vlogs that I will not be reacting to any X Factor performances by Fourth Impact because the reaction may not be genuine because I already watched all the videos, but I really can't help watching this video. This is one of my favorite songs they sang in X Factor, and guys, please, just this one. I want to react again to the version of Ain't No Other Man. So without any further ado, let's go and watch the video.
Get someone in, please.
I nearly fainted.
Last week was obviously very dramatic. It was like so scary for all of us.
We're just thankful that you're here for us.
Yes, of course. Listen home.
Bye, Papa.
The fact that we're here, far away from our family, is a huge sacrifice for us.
You're making our mentor cry.
It's her fault.
We miss them a lot.
Hello!
Unfortunately, our papa is ill, so he's unable to travel, and the only contact is on the computer.
Sana galingan nyo, saka huwag kayo masyadong mag-alala sa amin dito.
Sige po.
Pag-pray natin lahat na kayo na nga ang pagpipiling champion. Yan lagi ang pinag-pray ko para sa inyo.
We're doing this for our family, to give them a better life. And I believe that this is the perfect time for us, Fourth Impact.
Love you. Love you.
The single that we're gonna be doing this week is
Ain't No Other Man by
Christina Aguilera.
What I really want you to find this week is connection to the song. So what I want to know is, who would you sing it to?
1D. Harry.
Right, so you're singing it to Harry from 1D, right? That's who you need to think of.
This has been an emotional week for us, and we want to make our parents proud. This is for them.
Did somebody get smaller or did I get taller?
Fourth Impact!
Do your thing, honey. I could feel it from the start. Couldn't set to be apart. Something about you caught my eye. Something moved me deep inside. Don't know what you did, boy, but you had it. And I've been hooked ever since. Let's go! So my mother, my brother, my sisters, and my friends. So the others, my lovers, both past and present tense. And every time I see you, everything starts making sense.
Good. Ain't Other Man with you. This version is very good, and it is close to the original version, and Fourth Impact is legit daily service spot in the UK, and I really appreciate their talents, and I love it so much. I love it. I'll be doing more of Void Impact videos, and please Void Impact and upload more videos, upload more covers so that I can react to it. Anyways, if you have any Void Impact videos you want me to react, please drop the link below. And if you like this video, please give me a massive thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of the family, please click the subscribe button and the bell button so that you'll be notified every time I upload new videos. That's it. Maraming salamat. Bye.